G'day guys, it's John from Oz General Store. Today we're going to have a bit of a factory tour. We're going to look at all the things that we're doing at the moment. We've been hauling ass since our field day. We've got a lot of car projects on the go at the moment. The XE has gone in for a roadworthy. It had the check, but it's actually getting the roadworthy. So I did a lot of the work. There's still a little bit more work to be done. So, you know, we'll see how we go with that. Look around, the shop is looking pretty barren. We've actually moved locations and we're in the process of opening a proper retail store, which we'll show you guys. Come check out the factory. So a lot of you guys might be wondering, what's this all about? What are we doing here? Well, basically, I'm a real car person myself. So basically, I really wanted to start taking videos of everything that I was doing. I wanted to integrate it with, you know, things that we do here and be able to work on my cars during work hours. So that's a really good thing. So I thought I would talk a little bit about what we do here as our bread and butter. Of course, this is our packing table over here for online orders. Orders placed through Oz General Store and eBay. So come over here. Our main bread and butter is farm machinery, believe it or not. We manufacture farm machinery and have done so since 1903. So things that you see over here are things called chain harrows. We've got a bunch of different things happening at the moment. And of course, if you sneak under, you can see just engine blocks flying around because a lot of us here are car people. We're in the process of manufacturing things called spring tines. Just think of things that go on the back of a tractor behind a seeder and they jiggle the soil to cover the seed. We also operate another little side business called Southeastern Spray Booth Hire. Come check it out. Now guys, we go absolutely crazy with spraying all day, every day, our agricultural equipment as well as cars. So today I've got a huge job. I'm under the pump because I need to revitalise the spray booth. As you can see, there's plenty of artwork on the walls, which I'm not too happy about. We have applied booth coating, but whether or not it's going to peel off is another matter. So I've got a big day ahead of me. And it is Friday today. Friday we're filming, Friday we're releasing the videos. We're going to keep to schedule. But yeah, wow, we've got a lot going on. So we're going to change the filters. I'll leave a link below to the Facebook page of the business that we run, and you can see all the cars that have been painted here before. A lot of our agricultural implements are dipped. It's just the easiest way to paint it. It takes 2 seconds. So you've got a little bathtub here full of paint. It's all water-based, so it's good for the environment. So it takes 2 seconds to dip it, and we put it on our drying rack. We've got an R&D project here that we just recently completed. It's looking a little worse for wear, but basically it's a bale grab. So you've got your hay bales and the hooks grab the hay bales using hydraulics. And we have our beautiful 70s Chamberlain crane. Yeah, she needs a paint job, but she works beautifully. We love her. Within our factory, we basically keep all of our parts in stillages, operating just in time. Everything you see here is all operational. It might look old school. Remember, the business has been going since 1903, so there's a hell of a lot of work here. There's plenty of machinery that, you know, needs maintenance, but we take care of it all. We have the skills to do so. We've just finished up a folding frame for a customer of ours. Now you can see exactly why the walls of the booth just get absolutely coated in paint. We've got something like this that we basically drive in with the crane and hang it and leave the doors slightly ajar to actually paint this. So this thing will be painted green. It'll be painted early next week, and we mount hydraulics to these particular areas, and you've got the wing frames that fold up and down. Okay, so we've got a little warehouse for our dispatch area. Everything that you see on the ground is ready to go. It's ready to be transported to a farmer somewhere around Australia. We've got more bits and pieces. Some of the stuff down the back is what we took to the field day to display at the Warragul field day. For the first time ever, unfortunately I had a car that was relegated to being outside. I've never put a car outside, so I feel a little bit heartbroken. For the poor old VC Valiant, I painted the roof with a lace pattern very early on, probably a year ago. I just had to move it because we were running out of space. Leave a comment below as to what I should do with the car. I'm thinking possibly it's going to be a burnout car. I do have that 318 Mopar, but I'd have to refresh the bottom end for it to even possibly survive something like that. So leave a comment below. I really am not quite sure what to do with it. Come on in. Hey, just filming a video. Do you know what I dream about when I close my eyes? Concrete paint. So everything you see in white over here, I've recently painted. You know, I was talking about that in my last video. So we've spent some time putting up some racks. We've got some end caps that we've put together. We've got these particular racks that we took to the field day. We mounted caster wheels on it. And of course we've got our countertop here, which we're currently assembling. So Oz General Store is going to open its first proper retail store probably the next month or two. I'll let you guys know when that happens. And for the guys that have subscribed, we'll make sure we'll leave a discount code for you guys, and I'd love you to stop by. Because yeah, it's certainly been a lot of work, and we've certainly got a lot of stock, and hopefully maybe in the future we can hold our own car show, maybe in our yard or something like that. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Cheers. Whew, what a day. I tell you what, I've been cleaning the booth. We've got somebody hiring it tomorrow. Yeah, I think I might have a little bit more to go, I reckon. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to watch that video, guys. Yeah, we've got a few things that we're working on at the moment. So we've got a 318 Mopar, which you guys know about, which we're working on. Still waiting on parts, but we're gonna get there. So, I don't know, I kind of don't really wanna, like, you know, open up the bottom ends. I wanna just add some parts and then start it up to see whether it will run. I'll change that Welsh plug. There's one that needs to be replaced. But yeah, let me know what you guys reckon. Cheers. By the way, here's a sneak peek of what we've done already. Alright, so far so good. Don't snap any of these bolts. There's something so rusty, it's like... Oh, I don't want to speak too soon actually.